his idea of how I should be. I'm outside of society. I'm an artist. Believed more than anything else was the development of the country of the mind. He believed that the mind was a country and you had to develop it. You had to build and build and build and build the mind. That was his whole philosophy, is the development of the mind. My mother believed in the development of the heart, and I believed in the development of the hands. We're the DJs, the people are the DJs. We're the DJs, the people are the DJs. But I just get in a perfect rhythm and I play, I don't care. And the people are allowed to do as they wish. If it's a really good show, there's like 1,000, 10,000, 50,000 people, 50,000 minds, 50,000 subconsciousnesses that I can dip into, that I can dip into, that I can dip into. it's like anytime you have to push things down people's throats. I mean, I don't try to seduce. I do what I do. 10 people come, 10 million come, great. What I do, I believe in.